Hi guys, I'm Isabella Grace. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. First, I just wanted to say thank you so much for 4.8k. I'm so thankful and happy, and I just can't believe it. But today I'm gonna be doing a back to school makeup tutorial. A lot of people are going back to school, so I just thought I would film a back to school makeup tutorial. Okay, quickly, by the way, I'm pretty sure I put this in the outro too, but I have a spam account on Instagram. It's called Pineapple Strawberries, and you should go follow me on there because it's like a spam account just for my YouTube. So I'm already in school. I usually don't wear foundation, but if I'm feeling a little extra that day or I want to be like caked up, I'll wear foundation. So I'm going to be using foundation today, but just putting it out there, I don't wear foundation every day. I don't even wear concealer every day. So the first thing I do is my brows. I usually will use my Anastasia Brow Wiz, Precisely My Brow, and my dipbrow pomade like for my brows. When I conceal them, I use my NYX concealer, and this is the HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and this is in beige. So for school, I do pretty natural brows because I will get made fun of. Like, I actually have. They were like, do you paint your brows on? So I'm gonna do my brows off camera and then I'll be right back when they're done. So my eyebrows are done, but they usually don't look this brown and what? No, they are brown. They usually aren't. Oh wait, actually, kidding. They're fine. Now I'm gonna prime my face. And I'm gonna try out the Photo Finish primer from Smashbox. I got this because I spent $15 or more on a foundation, but like if you have dry skin, I would like totally recommend to moisturize, which actually I'm gonna use my Cetaphil moisturizer and put it on my nose, but I'm super duper dry around my nose. Now I'm gonna take my matcha toner. I've been getting a lot of pimples, and it's not because I don't wash my face, because I do wash my face when The one thing about the matcha toner is that it smells kind of nasty when you like rub it in. So now I'm gonna take my Smashbox primer and put this where I have pores and uneven skin, or like bumps on my nose. Whatever this part is called, where I highlight, and then around here. So after I have my brows and my primer on, I'm gonna take my foundation, and this is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is really good, and I got it on sale for $25, but I was gonna get it anyways. This is it's in natural beige. It's like my exact color. And then for like my sponge, I'm using a Morphe contour sponge. So I'm taking an eating break. Whoa. Now I'm gonna do foundation because I don't know. Pump there. I think that's enough. By the way, oh, sis. That was scary. Bro, my under eye bags are so bad. So now I'm gonna take concealer. This is the NYX concealer. I think I already said that. So I just like conceal imperfections first. Okay, now I'm gonna conceal my under eyes. But my classes are actually not that bad at all. Okay. I'm taking my Max Factor pressed powder and this fluffy powder brush. I set with a pressed powder first because I think it just looks better. Do you see that? Okay, now I'm gonna set this side with the pressed powder. After I use the pressed powder, I use my Coty airspun. And I take this brush again and I brush off the powder. Like contour. Oh crap. But if I really want to, I'll put on some blush, and this is the Tarte blush in Feisty. Oh my god, why does this always happen to me? I'm gonna take this Dunce brush and I just fixed the pigmentedness. Sure. Why is this not working? Okay. So then I highlight my face. I'm just gonna use what I always use. This is the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Mean Money and Hustla Baby. This is Hustla Baby. So this is the complexion all finished. Usually I just put concealer and that's it. Well, concealer, brows, and mascara. Now I'm gonna put on mascara. I usually use the Total Temptation and I mix it with the Too Faced mascara. I got a lot of like hate because I didn't say the word, but the reason I didn't say it was because I didn't know if younger kids watched my videos, and if they did and they didn't know what that was, I didn't want to say it and then them ask someone. I got requested a couple times that I do a mascara routine. Oh, I usually do my bottom lashes first. For the most part, that's what I do, and then I clean it up with a wipe. Oh, honey. Okay, so I didn't put too much bottom lash mascara on, so now we're gonna move on to lips, and then we're done. So usually for my lips, I either leave them plain, or I use my Winky Lux little flower gloss that I got such a long time ago, like 6th grade. Or, I actually don't think I've, wait. It's my Fenty Balm Gloss. I got this maybe in July. I don't know. It's super pretty and I just think it looks good on anyone. And this tastes fruity. I don't know if you're supposed to eat it or if you can, but fruity. And if you're like Hispanic or like you've tried this before, it's called Bon Bon Boons and they are like lollipops. I'm gonna insert a picture. That's literally what this tastes like. So that's the makeup look. Okay, so this is the makeup look, or the back to school makeup tutorial. Get ready with me, I don't really know. So this is the makeup look for back to school. It is very like simple and I think it's really cute, and I actually might wear this to school tomorrow. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for the love and support and for getting me to 4,000 subscribers. That's crazy. Also, I made a spam account for my YouTube. It's called Pineapple Strawberries. You should go follow me on my spam. You guys are new. What? I have 2 elbows? Okay. If you're new, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and turn on my post notification bell to get notifications every single time I post. And I hope you guys are having a great day, or have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao! Bye! I don't know. Talk to you later. No. Bye!